Hello friends, welcome to Physics Life channel. Today I am giving you one practice test for net physics. Here I will give you 10 questions and each question have 2 minutes. Okay, so after that you can check the solutions that I will give. Okay, so the first question, the value of the following definite integral in integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine 2x divided by 1 plus cos x dx, in which the options are 1, 0, second option that is 2, third option that is none, fourth option that is minus 2 log 2. Okay, after 2 minutes you are going to the next question. Next question, second question, integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square e raised to minus y square dx dy is options under root pi by 2, under root pi and pi by 4. Okay, next problem, integral 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx, find the value. First option minus 1, 1, e and 2e. Question is integral 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx, find the value. Next problem. Find the value of integral minus infinity to plus infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square. Options 1, 2, pi and pi by 2. Okay. The question is integral minus infinity to plus infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square. Here the problem. The value of the integral I is equal to 1 by under root 2 pi integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square by 8 dx is options 1 pi 2 2 pi. Okay. The question is 1 by under root 2 pi integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square by 8 dx is. Next problem, the integration of integral log x dx has the value. First option x log x minus 1, second log x minus x, third x log x x into log x minus 1 and none of the above. The question is once more integral log x dx. Okay. The integration value integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x square plus y square dy dx. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 are the options. Integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x square plus y square into dy dx. That is the question. Next problem, double integral x plus y dy dx. Limits are x1 and x2 are 0 and 2, y1 and y2 are x and x plus 2. Options are 11, 10, 12, 13. Okay, the question is double integral of x plus y dy dx. The limits are x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 2, y1 is equal to x, y2 equal to x plus 2. Next question. Integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to x square e raised to y by x dy dx. Find value. Options e square minus 1, e square minus 2, e square plus 1, e square plus 2. Okay. The question is integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to x square e raised to y by x dy dx. Find the value. Integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to x square, e raised to y by x dy dx. Find value. Options: e square minus 1, e square minus 2, e square plus 1, e square plus 2. Okay. The question is integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to x square, e raised to y by x dy dx. Find the value. Integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root ay, x by dx dy. The options are a square by 2, a cube by 3, a power 4 by 4, a power 4 by 6. The question is integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root ay, x by dx dy. So, here I given 10 questions. So, after solving, you can check the solutions. Okay. For this question, the answer is 0. Okay. For this question, the answer is pi by 4. Fourth option. For this question, the answer is 1. Option 2. For this question, the answer is option 3rd, pi. For this question, the answer is first option 1. For this question, the answer is this third option. For this question, the answer is second option 1 by 3. For this question, the option third 12. For this question, the option 1 answer is e square minus 1. For this question, the answer is a power 4 by 6. The detailed solution of these questions. The first question, that is integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin 2x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Here we know the function as like this. We check the f of minus x, that is minus sin 2x divided by 1 plus cos minus x. Cos of minus theta, that is cos theta. Sin of minus theta, that is minus sin theta. So we get the answer as minus of sin 2x divided by 1 plus cos x, that is minus of f of x. So we get that f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. So the function is odd. So the limits are even and the function is odd. So the integral is 0. Okay. For this question, integral 0 to infinity, integral 0 to infinity, e raised to minus x square, e raised to minus y square dx dy. We first integrate with respect to x. So we get that e raised to minus x square as is a Gaussian function, integral 0 to infinity. So the answer is 1 by 2 under root pi by a. That is the form of e raised to minus x square. So here a is 1. So 1 by 2 under root pi by a is 1 into e raised to minus y square dy. and after integrating once more, that is, we know the answer for integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax square dx is 1 by 2 under root pi by a. So we get the answer as 1 by 2 under root pi by a is 1. So we get as under root pi by 2 into under root pi by 2. So we get the answer as pi by 4. So option D. Option 4. Here in the question, integral 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx. So here we know that first function integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second dx. So for x into e raised to x minus integral of derivative first means x derivative, that is 1, into integral of second is e raised to x only, and we substitute the limits like this and we get the answer as e minus e plus 1, that is 1. 1 as the answer, second option. Okay, so the general formula, that is first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. Okay, so here we should follow that equation, we should remember that equation. Okay, in this problem the question is integral minus infinity plus infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square. So here we know that integral minus infinity plus infinity can be changed as 2 into integral of 0 to infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square. This is the formula in which we can take that integral as dx divided by a square plus x square integral, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here a is 1 in this question. So we get the answer as tan inverse x only. Here 2 is the 2 into tan inverse x. Put the limit 0 and infinity. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So we get the answer as pi. So option third. Here in this problem, I is equal to 1 by under root 2 pi. Integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square by 8 dx is. Here in this question, we know that it is a Gaussian function, that is integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax square dx is 1 by 2 under root pi by a. So here the a is 1 by 8 and if we substitute the value, so we get the answer as 1. Here we know that root 8, that is 2 root 2, and cancel 2 and root pi, we get the answer as 1. Okay. Here the problem is integral log x dx. Here the integral log x dx, we know that we can solve this formula as the product in integration, that is uv integral, that is first function integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. Okay, so here also log x can be rewritten as log x into 1, and first function into integral of second means integral of 1 dx minus integral of derivative of first means log x derivative is 1 by x into integral of 1 dx. Okay, after that integral 1, that is x. So after we get the answer as x into log x minus 1. Okay, that is the answer. In this problem, integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x square plus y square dy dx. So first you have to integrate with the respect to x only. Here we can integrate the integration with the respect to y first. So we can integrate x square y plus y cube by 3 after putting the limit 0 and x. You substitute x and 0 in the form, in the y terms in the form. So upper limit minus lower limit. We substitute x first and then 0. So we get the answer as like this. Next we can integrate once more, that is x cube integration, that is x power 4 by 4, because we know that integral of x power n, that is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, here also like that, and x cube by 3, that is x power 4 by 4 into 3, that is x power 4 by 12, and after putting the limits we know that upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so after that we get the answer as 1 by 3. So the option 2 as the answer. Here in this problem, they given as the limits are 0 and 2 and x plus 2. So we substitute first after integrating with respect to y, x and x plus 2. Okay, so xy plus y square by 2. Put the limits x and x plus 2 and we get the form as like this. First put the value of y as x plus 2, then x. So after we get the answer as like this. Then put the x plus 2 in terms of y in second term and then x. So we get the answer as like this. And after simplifying, we get the answer as like this. And we have to integrate this once more with respect to dx. That is 2x integration with respect to dx, that is 2x square by 2 plus 2x plus 2x square by 2. After putting the limits, we get the answer as 0 and 2 in the terms of, in the place of x, we get the answer as 12. 12 as the answer, that is the option 3. Here in this question, you have to integrate first this with the y. Okay, so e raised to y by x integration, that is e raised to x integration, that is e raised to x only. And we can divide the constant in integration, that is e raised to y by x. The constant is 1 by x. Put the limits 0 and x square. After putting the limits x square and 0, we get like this. And after integrating with respect to x's, this is here it is a product rule. And first function is integral of second minus integral of derivative first into integral of second. And after this, and here also x square by 2 integration. And after putting the limits 0 and 2, we get the answer as, after integration we get the answer e square minus 1. So that is the answer. Okay. Here in this problem, we have to integrate with respect to x with the first, that is x square by 2 y as constant, and put the limits and then we integrate once more that with respect to y, that is we put the limits, we get the answer as ay by 2 into y minus 0 as ay square by 2. And after integrating with respect to y, that is ay cube by 2 into 3. And we get the answer, after putting the limits, we get a power 4 by 6. The answer is a power 4 by 6, the option 4. Okay. Generally, we can tell about that if a double integration, a variable which is present in an integration, we have to first integrate with the opposite variable. Okay. We have to first integrate with the y, then x. Okay. If the double integral contain the y as the variable, then we have to integrate first with the x only. Okay, then we have to substitute the variable and then integrate. Okay, so we get the definite value. Okay, thank you for watching.